All right, guys, welcome to the live show. Okay, so as you can see on my screen already, I'm already in this trade. So if you want to, you can go ahead and take the trade, guys. All right, if you want to, you can go ahead and take the trade. It is the GFT token. All right, GFT token. I'm already short in that token, so actually saw that why I was trying to go live, so I decided to take a shot on that. All right, so guys, I'm already in the trade. So if you want to, you can actually go ahead, and join. If you want to risk it, okay. If you want to risk it, you can go ahead and take a short position for that trade, okay. Yeah, take a short position for that trade, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. But if you are not in the trade already, if you didn't notice it early, then what you can do is to actually wait. Okay, maybe you wait to pick the trade at that 0.12 or even 0.118, 117. All of those areas would be good area to take a trade to the downside. All right, but as it stands right now, just enter the trade. So if you want to still enter, you can still do that and still benefit from it. The token is GFT, all right? It's GFT token. That is what I just did. And then another token that I entered the short position for is the MKR, okay? Is the MKR token, right? Yeah, the MKR token. So my entry was around 1,340 or so. So if you want to take this, another good entry will be somewhere up there, right? So you take it down to this level or even below, right? Even below, you can take it even lower. All right, I'm already in the trade, but you can, be waiting for your entry at that point there. You can wait for your entry at that point there, okay? So if there is any token you want me to look at, guys, just let me know, okay? Put it on the chat, put it on the chat. Any token you want me to look at, put it on the chat, and then I'll go ahead and look at that token for you right now, guys, okay? So yeah, that's what I'm looking at, guys. So let me just send a screenshot of this for those who will be interested in maybe using this for the analysis. So let me see. Okay, so let's see how that goes. That is for MKR, right? Yeah. That is MKR, and then the other token is GFT. So I will equally send a screenshot of this for those of you who want to, my stop loss is actually slightly above that level. So all right, welcome, guys. Thank you for joining me, Joanne. You're welcome. Yeah, we'll look at Litecoin. Okay, let me just forward this to the group, and then I'm equally short on this. All right, so those are the two tokens that I'm currently looking at right now. I'm in that trade, so let's see how that plays out. Okay, let's see how this plays out. All right, so for Joanne, Litecoin, all right, let's look at Litecoin and see what's up with Litecoin, LTC, USDT. LTC, USDT. Do I have this on my watch list? Look at that. Okay. So for Litecoin, let's look at the daily time frame and see what we have here for Litecoin. So for Litecoin trade, okay, Joanne, Litecoin moved up from 58 instead of getting to that $69, $70 level. So it started reversing from that area, from this middle here. Okay. So we started rejecting from this middle here. All right. So what we can pay attention to right now for me, all right, I still pay attention to these levels here. Yeah, even this level at that $50 level is equally an area of interest for me. So yeah, $58 level is equally an area of interest for me. So what I can do is if I go lower to like the 1 hour time frame, okay, on the 1 hour time frame. So the areas I'm looking at right now is this green, okay. For every other area you see here, levels I'm looking at is the green level, which is at that $67, $69 level, down to that $58 level. So for Litecoin, I'll be looking to go more of long, okay. I'll be looking to go more of long than to go short, right? But if you want to scalp the market, you can start looking for short trades here. But right now, I'm not looking for any short trades. So I'll pay attention to these and see how far Litecoin can come down to, all right? But a good area to enter a long trade would be either at $60, okay, or even that down to that $58 level, all right? So if I'm to trade Litecoin, which I'm going to do, I'm going to add this to my watch list and then actually pay attention to it. I'll be looking to take trades from this level of, $60 level down to that area of $58 level. All right. Any of these areas, I can start building a position for myself from those areas. Okay. And then my target will be, $70, and even higher and all of that. Okay. Once we break out of this area, we'll be consolidating for a while. And I see on the 4 hours time frame, we'll be consolidating here. All right. So once we break above this area of $70, okay, above this area of $70 or below this area, it could be, maybe below $58, you can be looking for short trades, going down and all of that. But from the $70 level upward, we can be looking for, long trade. But while we wait for that, I would prefer to pick a trade down here, okay, and going up. But if you want to use your Fibonacci retracement tool to get, some more entry, more realistic entry, you can come in here, drag that to the up there, okay. Now, if you are a lover of the 382 level, okay, if you are a lover of the 382 level, then your entry for a long trade can be at the current price right now, 64. Okay, you can be looking for long trade, trades to the upside at that $64 level. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use my CC channel, okay, my CC level, which is around that 68. If I go ahead and switch this to my champion channel area, okay, yeah, this will be a good area to enter a trade to the upside. So you see from here, this levels there, okay, of 61, okay, 61.5, $61.7 level will be a good area to equally take a trade to the upside. Then if you want to use a combination of the 618 level with, the 786 level, okay, if I bring up those levels, which is, 618 and 786 level, those are the levels you should be looking at, okay? So this will still bring you back to around that $59, $58 level, right? But right now, if you are looking for more of trades to the upside, let's use the champion channel level, which is that 0.618 level and then the 0.66 level. All right. So if this does come down to that level, those are the areas you should be looking to take a trade to the upside for Litecoin. All right. So that's what I personally will be looking at for this trade. So if you want to trade Litecoin, that is what I'll be looking at. Let me add this to my general watch list and let's see how that goes. Then the next token will be, let's look at ETC. Okay, so let me go ahead and open up ETC. This is BLZ, all right? For those of you who have been following up the trend with BLZ, and if you have been shorting this token, then congrats to you, all right? Congrats to you for those of you who have been shorting this token, all right? Currently at 18 cents, you should be in a lot of profit right now. I closed my trade last night, so I'm not in any trade right now on BLZ. So let's look at ETC USDT. Let's look at that and see what we have there. Okay, so on ETC, what are we looking at? What are we looking at? Let me take out this. Okay, so for the ETC token right now at $15, okay, we have a a support down here, right? So we do have a support down here. Joanne, look at that support area. So pay attention to this area here, which is where I personally would prefer the token to return back to. And then I'll be looking for long setup from those area. Okay. Yeah, look at that. So we just allow it to break structures, okay, break every level and come down to this level of 14.7 or even down to that $14.4 level. Okay, $14.4 level. These are areas you can be looking to long this market. All right, these are areas you can be looking to take a long trade for this market. All right, so yeah, basically that is it. And this is more of a long-term trades, okay, and swing trades and all of that. Okay, now for those of you who are just joining, who are new, okay, I will explain how to use the long and short position tool that we use to measure our profit level and all of that. Okay, so for me, for this particular token, if I let's do Fibonacci retracement tool and see possible areas where this token can actually return back to. So if I bring my Fibonacci retracement tool, let's take it from up down to this previous low here. Okay, so yeah, at what is currently I'm saying right now is, let me use the standard Fibonacci retracement tool so that we can see all of the levels. Okay, yeah, all of the levels we can see right here is that as this token continue to bounce, okay, continue to return, if we do break below this 618 level, all right, the next level you should be looking at will be the 386 level. So you can be looking at taking a trade to the upside at that $15 level, or just wait for it to come back to that support level. Okay, wait for it to come back down to that support level. So anything at 14.7, 14.4, 14.5, that would be the area where you'll be looking to take a trade to the upside. All right, for Joanne, for ETC, that's what I'll be looking at for. All right, so I'll be looking to take a trade to the upside for ETC. All right, from this level of 14.7, 14.5, 14.4, all of that. Or I'm not going to set a limit order for this. I'll just pay attention to it, and when it gets close to that area, all you just need to do is to set alert. Okay, all you just need to do is to set alert. Maybe I'll do a separate video now to set up alert on TradingView. And if you want to send more than 2 alerts, you have to pay for TradingView, okay, to be able to do that. All right, a free version of TradingView will not be able to give you all of those options. Okay, so if you don't have a TradingView account, just go ahead and sign up with the free one. Okay, just go to the description of this video. You see a link for TradingView. Download the app and use it to be analyzing the market, because all these long and short position tools are not available on your exchange app for those of you who are using only your app. Okay, but when you're using TradingView, you have all of these tools available for you. All right, and whatever analysis you do on TradingView, you can go to your exchange and take those trades there. Okay, the next thing I want to do is to use a webhook to make sure that I automate my trading. All right, set up alert on TradingView and then automate the trading with an API on Bybit. Okay, so that when it gets to that level and that is triggered, as the alert is triggering on TradingView, okay, the trade is being triggered on Bybit. All right, I'm working on that, and once it works out, and that one is very easy. Okay, you cannot just stay away, and then the API will automatically be doing the trade for you, be placing trades, place take profit levels and all of that for you. So yeah, we'll do that going forward. I will teach you how to do that. For those of you who have a paid TradingView account, you should be able to be doing that going forward. All right, so this is my what I'm looking at for the ETC token. All right, so we'll wait for it to come down to that level, then we'll take a trade to the upside. Okay, so yeah, good morning, Bernard. You're welcome. Okay. Matic, okay. Daniel wants us to look at Matic. Let's look at Matic. Okay. Let me take Matic up and see what's up with Matic. Matic USDT. Okay, so for Matic, okay, Matic is almost looking like the ETC token we just looked at right now, okay? Having the same pattern with that token right now, guys. Okay, so for Matic, we seems to come back to this level where we had this, long week, which is that level of around 50 cent level. And then as it stands right now, guys, for Daniel, okay, for Daniel, if you want to take Matic, okay, I want to see Matic respect this area here. Okay, we want to see Matic respect this area of 50-cent level without breaking below it. Okay, so if we do break below this area, then the next zone you can be going to will be around 32. All right, if we do break below this level right now, okay, then you can be looking at Matic going below to as low as 32 cents. Okay, 32, 30 cents. All right, so this area is our area of interest right now. Okay, on the daily time frame, this is our area of interest right now. So we don't want this to break below this area, and that is the area we're going to be looking for a long trade. Alternatively, if you want to be more sure, I don't know what your confidence is that. Okay, normally what I would do is I will bring up my trend line and then put it down there. Okay, as you can see, we broke that trend line, and maybe this is coming for a retest. So a good time to actually take a trade for Matic to the upside will be, just at that retest. All right, just at that retest. So if I zoom this out, just at that retest. So wait for this to come down to this level. All right, and then you'll be taking a trade to the upside. So for Daniel, my long setup will be at that 51-cent level. That's where we're looking to take, Matic to the upside. So I will take Matic. I will start buying Matic when it gets to that 51-cent level. Currently, we're at 53. So wait for it to get down to 51-cent level. Then you can take a trade to the upside. And then I will target as high as that level of 63 cents. Okay. But why this plays that you can start setting maybe your take profit, your first take profit will be at 53. Okay. 53 cents. Your second take profit will be at 56 cents. Third take profit can be at 59, 58 cents, and then the last take profit will be at 60 cents. Okay, so once it hits your first take profit at 53, you move your stop loss to break even. Once you move your stop loss to break even, you can now trail the market to as high as you want it. Okay, so the good area to pick a trade for Matic will be down to that level. All right, so that's the area where I'll be looking to. Daniel, thank you so much. Thank you for the love. I appreciate it. Right. So guys, give the video a like. Give the video a like. If you are just joining up, give the video a like. And you can equally use the comment section, okay, to ask questions if you do. If you do have questions, most especially for those of you who are new. All right. If there is anything we do here that you don't understand, you can actually ask questions, and then I'll go ahead and actually, treat that for you. Okay, so for this token, that is what I'll be looking at right now. So let's see how our GFT trade is going. Okay, so let me see how that GFT trade is going right now, guys. So yeah, took that trade. Going well, but bouncing back. Okay, it's going well, going well. I'll still hold on because I have my take stop loss somewhere around there. So let's see if this can actually give us that 2.5 move in the market, right? Let's see if this can give us that 2.5 move in the market. If you want to enter this trade, just wait for it to, if this gets up to that 0.0118, okay, 0.0118, 0.0117, or even 0.012 level will be a good area to start shorting this market. All right, those will be a good area to start shorting the market. All right. So yeah. Let's go on. Let's go on. Okay, let's go on, guys. Let's go on. Okay, so Jesus. Okay, guys. So any token you want me to look at, okay, put it on the chat. I'll go ahead and look at it for you. Just put it on the chat. I'll go ahead and look at. So two tokens I'm currently holding right now is the MKR, I'm short of MKR, and then the GFT, I'm equally short on GFT also. All right. Okay, so yeah, boo Galam. Okay, SRP. Let's look at SRP and then see what we have there. XRP USDT. Let's see what we have on SRP. Okay, so let's do the higher time frame and see what we have on XRP. XRP, guys. Okay. So let's do this. Just give me a moment, guys. Give me a moment. I'm trying to fix, take some partials on this particular trade. Okay, so SRB, I see a short. MKR going well, EFT equally doing well. So I just have to secure some profit, okay? Because I cannot be here telling you do this, do that, and then the trade will be there running without, nobody monitoring and securing profit from me. All right, guys. So for SRP for Galam, let's look at SRP currently. So SRP only had its own rally after the announcement that they have won the lawsuit and all of that, or the court case, and then all of a sudden we are back to status quo. So SRP just flied up and then back now to the status quo. And guys, okay, so for SRP right now, if you want to scalp, okay, you can go short on SRP. If you want to scalp, you can go short on SRP. But right now, what I'll be looking at for a long setup is allow SRP to come down to that level of 47 cents. Okay, if we do come back to 47 cents, that would be a good area for you to take a trade to the upside. Okay, so that level of 47 cents would be a good area to take a trade for SRP to to the upside. All right, and expect something like this. Okay, you see, most of the time you see wicks like this that will always, want to, this all this liquidity grab always want to take out everybody in the market and all of that. So SRP, we're looking at 47 cents to take trades, but going down to the lower time frame, like the 1 hour or even the 15 minutes time frame, you can see, I see, I see a sell for this. Okay, let's do 15 minutes and look for quick scalping. Okay, so if you want to trade on the 15 minutes time frame, wait for a breakout of this zone here. All right, if we do break down this area, then you can be looking for short. Okay, if we do break down that level there, you can be looking for short trade for SRP. All right, so I want to see us keep trailing that trend line down. Okay, this is the trend line I want us to just keep following down. But right now, you can't take a trade. You cannot short right now for SRP until we break this level. Remember, we have a very strong support right here, which we are rejected from severally. So you want to take a short trade to that level of 47 cents where we are looking to take trade to the upside, then wait for it to break this level. Okay, wait for it to break this level, not with a week like this. Okay, so what I personally will expect to see for SRP is breakdown. All right, break down and maybe come back and use this area we're using as a support right now. When this area becomes a resistance, then we can be looking for a short trade to the downside. All right, so wait for that to play out and then maybe come back to retest this area. Then that would be a good opportunity for you to start taking trades to the downside for the SRP token. All right, so that's personally what I'll be looking at for. Okay, that's personally what I'll be looking at for. Then if we do break this trend line, remember, I'm doing this on the 15 minutes time frame, okay? If we do break this trend line, all right, break this trend line above, then maybe you can take a quick scalp to that up there of 52 cents. And then from there, you can be looking for more of a, a short position to the downside, all right? So let's say we don't want to break above this trend line. If you do break above that trend line, then you can be looking for setup at that 52, 53 level. But if we do not break and maybe come and retest that trend line and eventually break below this area, anything from here would be where you can be looking for a short trade to the downside. Okay, so anything below this area, you just go ahead and look for a short trade to the downside. Okay, just wait for this to play out, and then I bet you that you'll never regret it, guys. Okay, if you wait for all these confluences to play out, you will never regret it. But if you just jump into trade because you don't want to miss out and all of that, okay, if you just FOMO into some of this trade, you will get taken out of the market, okay, within a twinkle of an eye. All right, which is what I don't want you to do. So don't get, don't rush things. All right, don't rush things. If you rush things, you'll be rushed out as well. If you rush into the market will equally rush you out. So this is what I'll be looking at. Break below, come retest that level, use this level as a resistance, then we should start shorting. Okay, or break the trend line, go up there. Maybe we'll take a trade to the upside from that 52, 53. We start looking for shorting opportunity for SRP. That is what I personally will be looking at. Okay, so for Shiba Inu, let's look at Shiba and see what Shiba has for us. That is 1,000 sheep. 1,000 sheep, yeah. I think it's sheep 1,000 for Bybit. Sheep 1,000. Yeah, that's right. Shiba Inu, Shiba. Okay, so for Shiba Inu, what are we looking at? Okay, after Shiba Inu had its own rally, actually. Okay, it has its own rally few weeks ago. Yeah, and then what happened? Guys, one thing I need to let you know is that patience, plays a very important role in this business or called trading. Okay, if you are just starting out and you have a little capital, okay, if you are just starting out and you have a little capital, the best way to grow that capital is to scalp. All right, you scalp the market like mad, like you're scalping back to back, back to back, back to back. If you do that, you'll be able to grow your account. Once you grow your account, maybe like to 10K, 20K, 100K, 50K, then you can start looking to take swing trades like this. Okay, so look at Shiba Inu. We rallied up to around that 11-cent level. Okay, we rallied up to that 11-cent level, and then gradually Shiba Inu started dumping from 11 cents down to this area of 0.007. Okay, so just imagine that you took a short here and you're able to hold on to that position until this got to this level. Okay, maybe you shorted from here and then you got to that level, guys. That is over 38%, move in the market for a few days. That is over 38% move in the market. Now, 38%, you now multiply it by the number of leverage you are using. If you are using like a 100x leverage, you can imagine what that would be. If you are using like a 10x leverage, that is over 300 something percent. If you are using 20x leverage and all of that, that's the beauty of swing trading and all of that. But you need to have the capital to be able to sustain and hold on to this position to be able to do that. Okay, so currently Shiba Inu is seems to find a base right here. Okay, so let's assume that Shiba Inu, we have our support level right here. All right, that's our support zone and all of that. Okay, we have to be looking for a long setup from here. That is, if Shiba Inu continues to reject this area, if it continues to reject that zone there, all right. So we came back there, rejected, and then rejected here again, touched this area, we reject again. So we can be looking for a long setup for Shiba Inu down there. All right. So anything at 0.007, okay, 0.007, or even that 0.0071 area will be a good area to start looking for a long trade. Then if you want to scalp Shiba Inu, if you want to scalp, one thing you can do is you come back to your 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so 15 minutes, you can start playing with these zones here, right? You can start playing with these zones here at that 0.0075, and then area of 0.0072 could be a good area for you to start taking either long or short. So if you want to long Shiba Inu, wait for it to get down to this level here. Okay, wait for it to come back down to this level. So if Shiba Inu does come back down to this level here and it rejects from there, all right, if this rejection gets down to this level and reject, then you can be looking to take a long trade from there. Okay, a long setup from here, maybe to that other level there. That's what I'll be looking at for Shiba Inu. All right, so if it does come down to this level, take a trade here and then be targeting that level. If it gets up there and it rejects there, then take a trade and target this level down here. Okay, And if you want to be scalping, always make sure that you're using your, I don't know what your confluences will be, but for me, I will use a trend line. So I want to make sure that this trade gradually come down to this level, and a break of that trend line will be a good area for me to enter a long trade. And then when it comes up here again, you plot your trend line again, and then the break of that trend line will be a good area to start entering trades to the downside. Okay, so for Shiba Inu, I will probably pay attention to it by adding it to my watch list, and let's see how that plays out. Okay, so what else do you want me to look at, guys? Let me know on the chat. Any other token you want me to look at, let me know on the chat, guys. Let me know on the chat. Yeah, good morning, Daniel. Welcome to the live show, guys. Okay, welcome to the live show. MKR, let's look at MKR. I think I have that on my watch list too. So MKR, let's see how MKR is going. Yeah, guys, almost hit our TP. MKR almost hit TP, okay? So which is why I had to secure some profit and all of that. So right now, I'm still holding on, okay? I'm still holding on. Already, I have moved my entry to 1,350, okay? My stop loss to 1,350. So even if it comes back up, I'll still be in profit. So for MKR, let's see how it plays out, all right? Let's see how it plays out. So allow it to play out, and then this would have given us a 4.3 move in the market. So let's see how MKR plays out. And then if we do break below this level, okay, you see more shorting opportunity. So I can decide to extend this down to this level of 1,000, 200, or even at that 1,300, okay, 1,300 level. So yeah, I can extend that to that level. And since I've secured some profit already, if we do break below this level here, then the next thing is just to move my stop loss, maybe close here, and then see how that can go down. But if this comes back up to this 1,360 again, I can be looking to enter another short position. Okay, I can be looking to enter another short position. Reason being that that seems to be, my resistance level at a higher time frame. You see, on a daily time frame, that is my resistance level. And what I'm looking at, okay, where I'm looking at taking a long trade to the upside, that is if MKRO refuses to come down. Okay, looking at a longer term or a longer time frame and all of that, or a longer term trade, okay, MKRO could do something and come back down to this level. So if I want to follow, maybe use my financial retracement to looking for long position, I can take here on the daily time frame up there. So areas around this 1,178 or 1,140, okay, will be a good area to start entering trades to the upside and all of that. So that's what I'm personally looking at. This one is on my 1 hour time frame. So I'm looking at MKR coming there, going back up, and then we come back down and stuff like that. So let's see how it plays out, guys. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, MKR is one of the stable tokens that I can trade and go to sleep, okay, without bothered, getting worried that, oh, this will actually swing and then hit my stop loss and all of that, okay? So you can still enter the trade if you do guys get up to that level, guys. You can still re-enter a trade if this still get up to that level. You can still re-enter a trade. But I'm in that trade already, so let's see how that plays out. All right. Which other token will you want me to look at? Okay. What are you guys trading? Let me know in the comments. Okay. What are you guys trading this morning? Let me know on the comment. What are you trading? What are you trading? Are you in the money? Okay, which of the token is giving you the money this morning, guys? Just let me know, let me know, let me know. Let's do this. All right, so um I have a few tokens actually that we need to look at together, guys. Few tokens that we need to look at together right now. Okay, the GFT token equally doing great. And another thing I need to tell you, okay, for those of you who are beginners, stop trading multiple tokens. Okay, you see this one, you trade. You see that one, you trade. Are you just trading, or you want to learn this business? Okay, even while you are depending on signals and all of that, try to understand, some things. Why do they? Well, why is that token? Why, is the signal provider telling you to short? What exactly is the thing? Which is why I say pick a particular token, okay, and try to understand how those token move and work and all of that. It will give you a better understanding, and then on your own you can do analysis, because we will not be going live like this every day and remain on the trade. Even if we do go live, we cannot remain there. I can give you a setup and then go my way. All right, you close your own setup in losses or liquidation, and then I'll still close mine in profit and all of that. You try to learn some things, okay, guys. Trying to learn some things. Try to learn some things. Try to learn something. Some of you are stingy, and even stingy to yourself. You don't want to invest in yourself, and you want to make money. You don't want to invest in learning. You cannot buy course. You cannot buy what's it called? You cannot even spend your your data for learning or free videos on YouTube and all of that. You don't even read PDFs. So how exactly do you want to make this money? And then when you lose one particular money and all of that, you start blaming signal providers, or you start blaming the market for not being fair to you. Okay. So if you are not ready to learn, guys, all right. So the next token there is this GFT, which is equally doing well. So GFT USDT. GFT, yeah, that token, I'll see how this goes. All right, I'm going to see how this goes. On the 15 minutes time frame, you can even wait maybe a breakout of this wedge. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, so just pay attention to this. This could actually break either to the upside or to the downside. All right. If this does break up, maybe we can have another massive pump like this to the upside and stuff like that. So if we look at higher time frame, let's see possible areas where this token can actually go up to. All right. So possible areas this token can go up to is, if I bring my Fibonacci, let's do weekly. Let me show you, possible areas. If this actually continues to pump, possible areas this can go up to would be, currently we are at that 0.5% level. Okay, that 0.5% level is the level we are currently. Okay, and then if you want to stay short, okay, maybe at that 0.013 could be, because that's another area I'm looking at, that possible areas that this token can actually shoot up to. If this continues to go up, okay, possible areas this token can go up. That is, if we do break this area above, all right, you see this wedge that I just drew here. If we do break this area above, then the possible area that I see this token going up to, because we just rejected from that 0.5% level using the Fibonacci retracement tool. So if we do break this wedge here and start going up, then possible areas that we are going up to, okay, the next level we're going up to will be that 0.013, 0.013 to 134. Those are the areas that I feel that this token can actually break up to. That is, if it continues to go up. Okay, so if it continues to go up, that is an area that I'm sure it will go up to. So pay attention to this token. If you're going to trade and scalp the hell out of this token, okay, so you just pay attention to it and then trade with it accordingly. All right, so I just follow it accordingly and all of that, guys. All right, so that's personally what I'm looking at for. So if we do break, yeah, see, look at that candle, look at the momentum in that candle, the strength of that candle. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Back to our entry level. Look at that. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at for. Okay. Yeah, I think my second trade just triggered and all of that. So that's what I'm looking at for. Let's see how that plays out. Okay. You see that strong, move to the upside, guys. That's massive. That's massive. That's massive. So let's see how that goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so let's see how this plays out, and entries and all of that. Please, if you are not in the trade already, kindly just be patient with it. Let's see the close of that candle, what it will give to us, okay? Let's see what the close of that candle will give to us, guys. Okay. All right, guys. Yeah, so I'm going to re-enter that trade. Just wait patiently. Maybe at that 0.12 again, you can re-enter it. But let's wait for the close of this candle. This candle will close in the next 2 minutes. Okay, this is on the 15 minutes time frame. So let's wait for a close of that candle and see what that candle will give to us, guys. And then we can re-enter a trade there going down. Okay, yeah, look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, so if you have entered a trade at this 0.018, okay, and then maybe put a take profit like 20% move, depending on what you actually receive. Maybe you put $100 and you put it a 20% move. That would have given you with a 10x leverage, you would have gotten that. With a 25x leverage, you would have gotten a 50% move in the market. Yeah, you would have gotten more than 50% move in the market. Okay. And all of that. So guys, I'm still looking at this. I will still wait to re-enter a trade here again. We'll do get back up. So wait for the close of that candle. Let's see what we get. Let me go to the 5 minutes time frame and see what we can get from here. All right. Let's see what we can get from here. Let me push this to the side so that you'll be able to see clearly. I'm still in that trade. Yeah. So I'll wait for maybe for this to actually invalidate my entries and all of that. I'll wait to see a candle with the body close above, this area that this wedge here. Okay, I'll see a candle close with the body up there. Then I can be taking trades to the upside. But if not, in as much as you just shoot up for the week and come back down there, we're still in profit. We're still in that trade. Okay, let's see how that goes. Let's see how that goes. If you are with me in this trade, okay, if you are scalping this trade, just share your P&Ls with me on the Telegram, okay? Share your P&Ls with me on the Telegram, guys. Share your P&Ls with me on the Telegram. MKR doing good too. MKR doing good. MKR doing good, guys. Be patient with your trade. Be patient with your trade. Manage and secure some profit. Okay, manage and secure some profit. Manage and secure some profit. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. All right. So why this is playing out? Okay, let's look at the IMX token. Let's look at the IMX token, and then this auction token. Okay, this token has been doing very well since yesterday. So for auction, maybe we should be looking more of a long position than taking short. Okay. First, let's go to IMX. Okay, IMX USDT. Let's look at that token. Guys, let's see possible areas where IMS can actually go to. Okay, so let's take our Fibonacci retracement on the weekly time frame from that high there down to this low. Okay, so I see IMX, if you do break this level, the 382 level will be a good area that this token can go up to. Okay, the 382 level will be an area I feel this token will go up to. So we first need to hold this area of 85% level. Okay, 85% level. If you are shorting this token, be careful. It has to be on a scalping. Okay, you have to be scalping, because if you go ahead and short and just go about your business, you lose money. All right, and if I'm looking for an opportunity to enter a trade to the upside, if I take this to the recent high here, okay, if we do get down to that 382 level, to be another area, okay, at 63 cents would be a good area to start taking trades to the upside and all of that. So, but right now on the higher time frame, I'm looking at this token coming to that 382 level. All right. So anything at this 81 cents to that 83 cent or 90 cent level will be a good area to equally start looking for a long-term short opportunity. Okay. So 81, 82, 83 up to that 90 cent, which is around that 382 level. Okay. Using the Fibonacci retracement will be a good area to start looking, for a shorting opportunity. All right. Just pay attention to that. You can scalp this. Okay, go to your lower time frame and be looking for an opportunity to scalp this token. Okay, go to lower time frame like the 15 minutes time frame and be looking for an opportunity to scalp this token. So currently we are above this yellow line. Here is my 50-day moving average. We're above that 50-day moving average. Let's see. I will need to see this, either break a this area, okay, or below it actually, or see it, break below this area here, something like that. So let's say if we do break any of that, maybe we'll go up or we'll go down. But I'll be looking for more of, long trades to the upside, because I see more potential. I see this trade going up, okay? I see this token going up before it start retracing back fully. All right, I see it still going up before it start retracing back fully. I see it going up to that 80 cent level and all of that. But let's see how that plays out, okay? Let's see how that plays out. Let's keep paying attention to that token and see how this will play out, guys. Yeah, GFT still playing out very well. GFT still playing out very well. Okay. Yeah. Then the next token is this Unction newly listed token. Okay. Which has been pumping. I saw it at $2 last night, and then only for me to wake up and it's already $7.5, $7.3 level, guys. Okay, so if I bring my fib retracement to, let's even see, take it from there, bring it down to this level. Okay, 786 level, yeah. 786 level. If we do reject and do hold that 786 level, we could reject back to that 618 level and all of that. I think more of scalping would be good for this trade. Okay, more scalping will be good for this. All right, so just place a limit order to short at 7.5, and then this is not something you wait for the whole day. Okay, if you are not using higher leverage, let's say you're using just 10x leverage. Okay, if you are using 10x leverage, okay, I can see Sahab Sadiq just made 43%. Okay, yeah, great, thank you for following too. Yeah, so for those of you who are always ready to take the risks, now what you need to do is when you're scalping, okay, if you're not using very high leverage like 50x leverage, 25x leverage, you shouldn't be targeting 200% return, 300% return. But once your trade is triggered and is already in profit, immediately you move your stop loss to entry. If you want to still hold on to the trade, okay, you move your stop loss to entry. And then as it continues to go down, you continue to adjust your stop loss. As it continues to go in your favor, you continue to adjust your stop loss. That way you can stay in the market. If the market gives you 200%, you are happy. If it gives you 300%, you're happy. Okay. But if it is just in and out, you can just preset your limit, okay, your take profit. Bybit gives you that option where you just put, okay, if this trade moves in my favor by 10%, I want to close it. All right. So that when you just go, because in most cases, there is a token I was scalping one day. I'll just put that. I say, okay, I want to enter at this level and then put stop loss at this level, take profit at this level. Once I place the trade as a trigger, just one move, okay, it will just move, pick the trade and then move back and pick my take profit. And I did that like time and time. I think I did that up to 3 times. And I said, okay, I'm done for that day. All right. So you can use those strategy when you're scalping. Don't be looking for higher percentage. If you're using a 10x leverage and all of that, be targeting anything from 10 to 20% more, 10 to 20% more. Okay. And then you can do that again and again and again and again. All right. Don't overdo it. Actually, when I say again and again and again, I don't mean you should overdo it. Once you do 2, 3 times, right, you should have a target. If you have $100 capital and you want to make 10% of that, that is $10 in a day, right? You want to make 30% of that, that is $30 in a day. Once you do that, don't say, oh, because I've made 10%, it means that if I stay longer, I will make more. You could lose the whole money. Okay, so once you make your profit, you exit the market. Okay, you go and prepare yourself for the next fight, come back again the next day, and then you face the market again and all of that. Okay, so that's how we move in this business. Okay, all right, so let's see. For unction, I'll be placing a limit order at that 76 level, which is 7.5, and then short, and then my take profit will be at that $6.9 level, 6.988. That's what I'll be looking at. That is, if we do shoot up to this area, I want to take profit here. And then maybe from here, okay, from here, we can start looking to take long trades to the upside and all of that. Okay, but be careful with some of these new tokens. Okay, be careful with some of these new tokens because you can be taken unaware and then the market goes against you. All right. Daniel Chubike. Okay. Yeah, you want to learn trading, it's easy. Okay. And then guys, all right, I do have a trading course here that will help you a lot. I do have a trading. The only problem is that many of you who wants to learn, you want to learn, but you're not ready to, commit, commit some money to actually go learn. All right, I have a course here. Let me go ahead and open up. If you go to the description of this video, let me share that screen with you guys. So if you go to the description of this video, there is where you see, okay, I guess I didn't add it up here. No, it's there actually. So let me share the screen. Let me share the screen with you. So for those of you who want to learn, actually, you can go ahead and learn here, guys. If you can see my screen, all right. So if you go to the description of this video here, all right, the first link there is to sign up for a Bybit account. For those of you who are not in the Telegram, you can use the second link to join me on Telegram. You can sign up. I posted about FedDesk this morning, so you can sign up for a FedDesk account there. And then TradingView, if you don't have a TradingView account, come in here and download the free TradingView using the next link where it says sign up for TradingView account. Okay. And then if you want to learn how to trade, you use this learn how to trade here. This academy will teach you everything you need to know about technical analysis. Technical analysis can be used to trade forex. It can be used to trade crypto. It can be used to trade, stock, anything, any financial market at all you want to trade. Okay. What the basic of what you need is technical analysis. Okay. The primary knowledge you need is technical analysis. Then fundamentals become secondary. All right. So if you come in here, this how the course has been divided. All right. You can come in here and become a champion. Okay, you can see results from all those who have been taking this course and all of that. So these things I mentioned, Fibonacci retracement too, I mentioned this, mentioned that. Okay, you want to know how to use the volume indicators, all of that, guys. This is the course for you. Okay, this is the course for you. So just come in here and become a champion. Okay, if you go here, all right. You can actually subscribe. This is what it will cost you to subscribe for this course if you want to learn how to trade. Okay, and then we equally provide signals here. If you want to subscribe for the signals and all of that, go to Wolf Signals, and here you can subscribe for signals here. Okay, signals for both forex and crypto. So if you want to do for both forex and crypto, you do that. If you want to do for only forex, only crypto, you go ahead and do that. Use the link in the video description to get some discount. Okay, use the link in the video description to get some discount. So basically that is it if you want to learn. But if not, if you don't have the money to pay for this course, why not join me live every day? I take our time. I don't just give you a setup. Okay, I explained everything that I do online here for you. All right. If you ask questions on the comment there, I do answer the question. Okay. So, but the basic knowledge you need is how do I place a trade? How do I set my stop loss? All of those. I have video tutorials that shows you that. You cannot just come in one day. You're not, seeing those tutorials and you want somebody to just sit down and start explaining everything for you. All right. Guys, give me a like. Okay. Give the video a like. Just click on this like button. Click on that like button. All right. Okay, guys, so let's go back to our trading view. Let's go back to our trading view. Let's go back to our trading view. So what other token do you want me to look at? Let me know on the chat. Okay, look at that, guys. Look at this token, all right? It just hit that level. Okay, look at onshore, just hit the 7.5 and now it's in the 7.6 and all of that. Okay, so what you can do right now is to make sure that you are managing your. If you are not in this trade already, don't enter again. All right. If you are not in the trade already, don't enter again. If you are not in the trade already, all right, there's no need of entry. I think we should be looking for more of long trades and all of that. But I'm going to do with market order right now. Okay, maybe a 7.6, 7.7, whatever the market order gives me. And then I'll do like a 10%, 20% move, just quick scalp in and out of this market. All right. A quick scalp, you are in and you're out. We keep doing that again and again and again and again. All right. We take advantage of whatever the market gives to us, and then we exit the market immediately. When you're doing this, do it with very tight stop losses, okay? And all of that. But if you're in the trade already, if you did set that 7.5 entry, okay, just go ahead and set take profit, maybe like a 10% move or around 7.3, 7.4. You should take profit and then you look for more entries, okay? Take profit at that level and look for more entries. Take profit at that level and look for more entries, okay? Now, at the 786 level, if we don't reject from this level, okay? Guys, if we don't reject from this level, then this is coming back down up to that all-time high, which is, $8, $8.3 level, all right? This could be coming up to that $8.3 level. So another area you'll be looking to take a quick scalp to the downside would be at that $8.3 level. Okay, so pay attention to that token and trade it accordingly. All right, pay attention to that token and trade it accordingly. Currently, I'm seeing, the volume in this token is actually, the volume keep increasing. Right now, we are at 7. On the Bybit exchange, we are 7.9 million. Okay, $7.9 million. So it keep increasing. If you see the volume keep increasing like that, it means that whales are coming in and then they are taking charge. Okay, waves are taking charge and then dealing. Before you know now, they will start pumping this market, liquidating everybody, and after that, they will go ahead and take their profit and run away. Take their profit and run away. Okay, setting up to enter when this gets to, let's do 7 points. Let's just wait for that $8 level. If you can risk it, okay, if you can risk it, wait for a pullback and then take a trade to the upside and then risk it, just little of your capital, right? I would have loved to take a trade at that 6.98 level. 6.98 level would have been a good area to take a trade to the upside. So let's see if we can, pull back to that level. $7, 6.9 would be a good area to take a trade to the upside. So if I do take a trade to the upside, if I see opportunity to enter, okay, let's say I enter here, my target would be at that $8, the $8.4 level, then put my stop loss slightly below that area in case it goes against me. If this does pull back, I'll be taking trades to the upside, guys. Yeah. Okay, so let's see how that works. Let's see how that works, guys. Let's see how it works. And then for the GFT is still running. GFT is still running, guys. Just make sure that you just manage your stop losses. And if you have made profit, okay, go and take a rest. Okay, go and take a rest. Don't overtrade. Overtrading is a crime in this industry. Don't overtrade, guys, don't overtrade. All right, so yeah, can't join your Telegram, bro. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, let me send a new link. I'll send 2 links now. Okay, let me send 2 links now so that you'll be able to join. I want you to be part of the community. And okay, so I'm sending a link on the chats. So for those of you who are new, I will see if I can have a special class. The only problem I have is when I do this, you know, you are more busier than every other person, so you cannot join and all of that. So please, Sadiq, let me know any of this Telegram that you're able to join, okay? Any of the Telegram you're able to join. I sent 2 different links. One is a channel, one is a group. Okay, on the group allow you to engage with other traders. The channel is just, you know, you can comment, react to my messages and all of that, but just join any of them. They are both, okay, whatever information I have on this is always on the other one. So just join any of them and let me know if you're able to join that, any of this, okay? Okay, BTC, Top G Gaming want us to look at BTC. Okay, let's cap BTC. All right, I'll let me bring up the BTC chart and let me bring up the BTC chart and let's see. Let's see what we can do with BTC right now. Okay, but before then, let me look at the docs. I have not traded this coin before, so I don't know what it is. Let me look at it for Sadiq. Let me look for okay, let me look at it on the higher time frame and let's see the opportunity we have here. What's the token about? What's the project about? Okay, so yeah, a good area, maybe a few days ago, if you have seen this at 0.094, that would have been a good area, but currently we are above the 50-day moving average. We are just above that 50-day moving average. So for this token, what I personally will be looking at for, okay, is areas where I can take trades to the upside. All right, so just exactly at that 50-day moving average is my, you know, my CC level. Okay, so if this token come back down to this 10-cent level, all right, so these are areas where I'll be looking to buy a long trade to the upside. All right, so I could be buying here and be targeting that 14-cent level, which is at that 50-day, the 200-day moving average, or even at that 15-cent level. All right, so if you are going to trade these tokens today, what I'll be looking at, the levels I'll be looking at, okay, will be this area of 10 cents down to that, yeah, this area here, 0.1065, and then that area of 0.1097. Those are areas I'll be looking to pick trades to the upside. Okay, those are areas that I personally will be looking to pick trades to the upside if you want to trade this token. Okay, but if eventually this token actually pull back down to this support level, which is at that 0.093, then is a good area to, you know, start looking for a long trade. Okay, it would be a good area to start looking for a long trade at this level here, down here. Okay, down here. That is if this do return down to that area. All right, and one thing you need to find out right now is if this token is one of those tokens that actually do move with BTC. You know, there are a lot of tokens that are like when BTC move one leg, they are moving 2 legs. Okay, some tokens are like that, and then some other tokens they don't mind anything BTC is. Then even if BTC like let him dump today, tokens like Tomo. Okay, you see BTC dumping, Tomo will be pumping. All right, but most of the time you see them correlating and all of that, but there are some tokens that don't follow what BTC is doing. Whether BTC is dumping or not, they are just there doing their own thing. So those are some of the things you need to look at. But a good area to take a trade to the upside would be, you know, for a swing trade actually to be at that 0.094, 0.95. All right, but using the financial retracement tool from this previous move here, okay, yeah, that would be a good area. Or you can even wait for this move, okay, to return back to this level. All right, wait for this to return back to this level. So this level of 10 cents down to that 0.0945 will be areas you can be looking, you know, to take trades to the upside. All right, that is for the DOS. Let me even look at the performance of this token so far, guys. Okay, so yeah, January this token started pumping, right? Just like every other token started pumping. In February too, we did, and then from March we started, you know, dropping, and all of that. So yeah, if you are going to swing trade this, use very low leverage and start picking this token at around that 10 cents, okay, 0.09 cent level, and be taking it up. All right, you can target even up to, you know, 30 cents and all of that. So that's what I personally will be looking at. All right, then let's go to BTC USDT. Were you able to join any of the Telegram group I sent there? Let me know. Sadiq, let me know. Were you able to join any of the link? Okay, so BTC at 27,200. I think I have some pending trades. Let me check if those has triggered. Yeah, one of the BTC trade is triggered. Yo, I'm in profit. I'm in profit. I'm in profit. I didn't even know BTC has gone up to 27,300, guys. Look at that. I'm in profit. I'm in profit. Okay, so yeah, BTC is going well for me right now. Is this on BTC trade I'm looking at? Okay. Sorry, I'm seeing a different thing. It's not BTC, it's actually the MKR. So BTC is at 27,000. Okay, my trade just got triggered. Though it's in profit, but not, BTC is not at 27,200. It's actually at 27, okay? My trade has triggered already, and then some are running in profit, but let's look at BTC quickly, okay? Let's look at BTC quickly and then see what we can achieve with this. So you want to scalp BTC. Let's scalp BTC. Scalping. Okay. All right. So let's do this, guys. So for BTC, for scalping, we have to go to lower time frame. So let's look for our levels on the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, so this setup is no longer valid. Let's take that out and give us some profit. So 15 minutes. Let me map out my daily high and low first. This is the high for the day. Okay. And then this is our low for the day. So if we do come back to that 15 minutes time frame, that's what we're going to be working with, okay? We work with that high and low, all right? So our low for that day is So let me put off all these indicators so that you'll be able to see clearly what I'm, if I'm to scalp BTC, so that you see clearly what I'm doing here, guys. Let's look at that area that I've mapped out, which is our high and our low. Okay, this is on the 15 minutes time frame. So this is the highest point for today that we've gone to on BTC, and then this is the lowest point we've gone to for today. So for BTC right now, I want it to come back down to this level, reject from there, go back up until we break either below or outside of this range. I want to trade this, this range for the day. Okay. If at the end of the day we do go back up, good. If you do go down, we look for another entry. But at this point in time, okay, I can go to as low as the 15 minutes time frame, guys. All right. Currently, we are just at the middle right now, but I wait for BTC to gradually, come back down to this level here of 26,900. That's the area where I'll be looking to pick a long trade, which is the lowest for the day, for today, okay? And then if we do go back up to that 27,100, I will look for short, all right? But if we break above any of these, either the high for the day or the low for the day, then that setup is no longer valid, all right? So wait for BTC patiently, wait for it to come back down. No need to rush, okay? So for top G gaming, all right, this is what I personally will be doing if I'm to be scalping BTC, okay? I'll just wait for it. I'll patiently wait for BTC to do something like this, okay? See BTC come down like, gradually to this level, and then maybe consolidate for a while, reject there, then we take it up, and maybe consolidate here for a while without rejecting, breaking above this level, then we take it down. That's basically what I'll be doing, all right? So for BTC, I'll just wait for my setup to play out, and then I'll go ahead and take trades accordingly. All right. Okay. So for instance, if I was supposed to be trading this area that you just see here, all right, when we started descending, maybe you took that trade there and then you came down to this level, I would have put a trend line that way. And then when we rejected here, you see that rejection started going up. Then you can wait for a break of that trend line. You would have entered a long trade here. And then gradually what you're waiting for is for this to come back up to that level. All right. And then you plot another trend line. A break of that trend line, okay, will be, let's say we start going up, we start trailing the market and all of that and stuff like that. A break of that trend line towards this daily high here, okay, not at the middle here, right? Not at the middle here, towards this high here. If we do break there, we'll take it down and all of that. Then here again, you plot another trend line gradually until maybe when this breaks above this area or breaks below this area, that is when you are going to take a rest for that day for scalping the market. But right now, we are just at the middle of nowhere. So allow this to come back to our base here or come to the ceiling. Any of these levels, we can grab a token there, we can grab a trade there, and then we go forward. All right, thank you so much. Welcome to the community. Okay, welcome to the community, and let's see how we can work together, all right, and go forward. So for BTC, if you want to start scalping this, that's what I'll be looking at for, okay? Let it come down to this level, then we can take a trade. Okay, 26,900 or 919, 920, we'll take trades. 27,150 or thereabout, we take a trace and all of that. So that's what I'll be looking at for. Okay. Right now, I don't see any opportunity for entering a trade right now. Though I enter some trade at 27,000, which is running a profit. I'm trading on FedEx actually. I'm trading on FedEx. So I enter some trades there which are running a profit. Let's see, how that will go at that place that to hit. Okay, so basically that is about BTC. So if you are going to be scalping BTC, pay attention to that. And yeah, for GFT, I'm going to re-enter this trade again. For GFT, I'm going to re-enter a trade for GFT again. And then IMX, okay, IMX at 70 cents right now. Let's see IMX at 70 cents. Okay, I'll still wait for that 80 cent level. I'll still wait for that 80 cent level. IMX is currently at 70, push back up to that 70 cent level. So I'm still wait at that 80 cent level. And remember this, I want us to break above that level, maybe go, up, and then you can cash up a trade and all of that. But let's wait. I'm still looking at IMX and let's see how that works out. Okay, for GFT, let's do GFT. Yeah, I'm going to re-enter a trade for GFT. I just closed mine, so I'm waiting for this. This time around, let's wait. Okay, if you are still in GFT trade, I would just advise you close your trade, guys. If you are still in GFT, I would just advise, because we just broke above this wage. Okay, and you know what this means. Okay, this can actually start pushing up to this level of 12 cents, or even up to that level of 13 cents, which is up here and all of that. So for GFT, I think yeah, the volume is increasing from 7 point something, now it's 8.5 million on the Bybit exchange. Okay, that is the turnover for the past 24 hours. So volume is increasing. All right, more money is coming into the market. So it means that a lot of persons are taking interest in this, either buying, all right, which if we have more buyers, that's when you see this token pumping up that way. So yeah, I'm not going to rush into any trade right now. Let's see if we'll do reject at that 50% level and come back down, fine. But if not, if we break it, then we can be looking at this level of 0.012. Okay, so yeah, that's one of the tokens I'm looking at today. And then for MKRO, is not scalping. Actually, it's a long setup for me for MKRO. Okay, MKRO is a long setup for me. Let's see how that goes. Guys, if there's any token you want me to look at, questions, just use the comment section. Use the comment section and let's do that. Let's see how this plays out. All right, guys. So I'm actually waiting to re-enter this trade from up here. I don't know, maybe to enter a short trade from up there. I can't really say, but let's just wait. Let me go to the 5 minutes time frame and see things clearly. But from the look of things, guys, I don't see that playing out. From the look of things, I don't see that playing out, guys. Will it get to that 0.012? That's what I'm looking at for. Okay. I think this area of 117 is really a good area for scalping. You scalp there when it gets to 11. It even went to as low as 0.01111. So let's see how that goes. We'll keep monitoring this until this plays out, okay? Yeah, I see more scalping opportunity for this particular trade, so let's see how it goes. All right, guys. Any token you want me to look at, put it on the chat, put it on the chat. But this is what I'm doing. Okay, so I will not be talking more. I look at this chart and then I have my phone on my hands, okay, where I do my trading too. So I look at the chart here, monitor the trade, I'm moving, adjusting stop losses and all of that. So yeah. So guys, bear with me, okay? Bear with me, guys. Bear with me, guys. Yeah. Thank you for understanding. MKR2 going very well. MKR is still going very well, guys. MKR is going well, guys. Okay, few tokens for those of you who are just joining. Okay, few tokens. Sky, you're welcome. Okay, I can't see your message. Maybe you resend that message again, Sky. Okay, few tokens that I'm going to be looking at to scalp for the day is the GFT token. Okay, I'm looking at the GFT token. I have a long-term trade for MKR. All right, I have a long-term trade for MKR. Let me show you my setup for MKR. I'm already in that trade, okay, and I'm still holding on. I just even moved stop loss to entry, okay. So MK, I think MKR is already on my watch list. Let me show you what I have on MKR. Yeah, so that's it. And I just adjusted the take profit level. I just adjusted take profit level down, okay, and then my stop loss to entry right now. So even if this market goes against me, guys, I'm not losing anything. All right, and I want to hold on to this trade until we get down to around that $1, 1,200 or 300. Okay, so let's see how that works. Then where I'll be looking for long entry will be anything around this area, which is this my CC level, which I've drew there, okay, with my Fibonacci retracement. So from here, I can be looking to take long to the upside. So I'm already in this trade. This is not a scalping trade. This is a long-term trade for me. So let's see how this plays out. And then I'm equally looking at the IMX token. Yes, IMX too. So IMX and GFT are the tokens that I'll be scalping. Tokens that I'll be scalping. These are the two tokens that I'm looking at. Okay, IMX and then GFT. So for IMX, I want to see if this can actually get up to this level of 382, 90-cent level. I'm not sure yet, but I'm still expecting that this shoots up to 80 cent, anything between 80 cent and 90-cent level. These are areas that we're looking at to take a trade to the downside, all right, to short. But right now, okay, looking at that, if we do break this level and maybe come to retest that level, we can be looking to, yeah, so this candle just closed above that level. I want to see how that reacts. Okay, I want to see how that reacts. I need to see candle close above 72 cents. I need to see candle close above the 72 cents. Okay, maybe if we don't reject from that 74-cent level, then it could be a good area. Let's say I can equally be looking for a long setup for this from up here. Okay, anything from up there, then I'll target that 382 level, maybe put your stop loss slightly close in case it goes against you. Then from this area up here, I'll be looking for a short trade. Okay, from here, I'll be looking for a short trade, and I can take that to as low as I want. Can take that to as low as I want. All right, that's basically what I'm looking at for the IMX token. Okay, that's what I'm looking at for IMX token. So let's see how that plays out, and then we'll play along with it accordingly. Okay, so yeah, for IMX, that's what I'm looking at for. I think this should be on my watch list, right? Yeah. Then the other token is GFT. So GFT, these are tokens that will scalp throughout today and all of that. All right, don't overdo it, guys. If you are in profit already, don't overtrade. If you overtrade, you get taken out of the market. You'll be the one losing, okay? Maybe once you enter a trade once or twice and you're in profit, why not call it a day and look for, another opportunity the next day, all right? Call it a day and look for another opportunity the next day, okay? Okay, Sky wants me to check OP. Let's do that right now. OP USDT. Let's look at OP USDT. Okay, so let's do higher time frame and see what we have on OP. What happened? OP, what is the problem? Why? Who's pushing you? OP that I just thought that would be going up. What exactly is happening with OP? Why is it running as if somebody is pushing? Look at OP. Look at that massive, green candle, guys. Red candle. Okay, I see why. BTC is at 26,900. BTC dumping hard. All right, so for the OP trade, let me bring up my levels and see what we have here. Yeah, I got a level at that level there. 1,017 cents. Sorry, $1.17. Will it go down to that level? $1.17. $1.17. Okay, okay, Sky, for a long-term setup, okay, are we looking if this do go down to this level, right? If we do come back to that 1,017 level, 17, I will look at 19 cents, okay. Maybe it can go down to 17, I don't know, but look at 1,019 cents, all right. That is where I'll be looking to pick a trade to the upside for OP. All right, at 1,019 cents, I'll be looking to pick a trade from that level to the upside. So just allow this to play out, okay? Allow this to play out gradually. Let's see if this will continue to. Let's see if OP will continue to drop. If it drops to that level, then we can be taking trades from there to the upside. Okay. Yeah, so you see that there's a break of structure here. Let's see if that continues to drop. And then maybe we'll have a change of character somewhere here. So you can be looking for a long setup from there. All right. So either you pick a trade at 1,019 or sorry, a $1.19 level or down to that $1 level. That is if we do get down to that level, right? Those are areas you should be looking to. I'm not going to scalp this token. I'll just look for a long setup that will give you, huge amount of money. That's all. All right. So even if it is $100 you put in this trade and then it eventually goes and favor you 50% move, okay, with a 50x leverage, guys, or 20x leverage or 25x leverage, that is a whole lot. Okay. For OP, I will look for it, wait for it to get down to that level, and then I'll go ahead and take a trade from there. That's what I'll be looking at for the OP token. All right, wait for it to get down to that level, gradually come back, pick a trade, take it up, and then if we fail this level, maybe the next level will be a good area to take a trade to the upside. Okay, so for Sky, that's what I'll be looking at for the OP token. That's what I'll be looking at for OP token, guys. All right, 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 guys. I think I'll be calling the shots here. So hopefully sometime in the evening again we'll look at the market together. But right now I want to focus. I just gave you um Sky, what are you looking at for OP? Are you looking at scalping or you're looking at for long entries? Let me know. I just gave you, I have a trade already that's running on MKR. I have a trade, I just closed the one for GFT, okay? I'm looking to re-enter a trade again. And then I equally have the IMX token that I'm equally, looking at. So those tokens are my watch list for today, all right? So let's see, maybe if another token pops up on the, I joined the gainers list. Unction is at $8, guys. Look at what I was saying, guys. Unction is at $8. So for those of you who took the risk to long Unction, all right, Unction is already at $8. So it has hit that level that I was actually, where is that token? Where did I thought I have that on my watch list. Look at it, $8.1 level. Guys, look at that, all right? So look at, that's what I was saying, guys. $8.1 level, guys. So if you have taken this token up there, if you took that trade up there, kudos to you. Though I was waiting for it to come down here, but if you entered the trade at the 786 level and then you took it up there, yeah, congrats, you should be in profit already, guys. You should be in profit already. Okay. Now, one thing I want to pay attention to is if this token doesn't break, okay, the previous high was around that $8.4 level. Let's see if that will break above that level. Okay. Let's see if that will break above that level. All right. Let's see if that will break above that level, guys. But be careful when you're trading tokens like this, okay? See this token pumping and pumping. How much do we have on this token right now? IMX, no, not IMX, Onshore, $80 million, guys. Turnover, $80 million. That's crazy. And then IMX will have $85 million. That's crazy, guys. Something that was $5.9, I think, yesterday or so. Function. Anyway, let's see how it goes. I'll be looking for opportunities to, either short or long with this trade. I'll be looking to long at that $8.4 level, guys. Okay. Yes, short, sorry, not long. I'll look to take a short at that $8.4 level. Take a short at that $8.4 level. Let's see how it goes. If you get taken out, fine. If not, just put tight stop loss, okay? Put tight stop loss. And let's see how it goes. Let me go ahead and open the trade, set a limit order for that. Let me set a limit order for that. 8.434. 8.434. I want to short from there. Let's see if we can get it right. Okay, just set up a limit order for that. So let's see how it goes, okay? Take profit will be, this 786 level, which is around 7.5. So $7.57 level, if that will work for you, do that. Put stop loss wherever you want, okay? Anywhere of your choice, put the stop loss there. Okay. Yes, I'm shorting on auction at 8.434. Okay, my entry for short is 8.434, and then put stop loss slightly at, let's say, at 8.5 or thereabout. Okay, I'm shorting auction, right? 8.434. That's where I'm shorting, and then yeah, my stop loss would be around maybe 8.5. I don't want to 8.6 or thereabout. Okay, and then I'll target this level of 76, so I can go to 15 minutes and show you that, play that. Don't risk too much, okay? Because the way this token is shooting up right now, it can actually go past this level. This was the previous high sometime in February, and then that's where I want to short. So I'll short there and then target that $7.5 level. All right. So let's see if that picks that trade and see how it plays that, guys. Let's see if it will pick, and let's see how it plays that. Okay, so in case you are not seeing the screen clearly, let me take a screenshot and send it to the Telegram. You should be able to see it there. We're not getting there, guys. I would have done market order. Maybe market order would have worked best. I can still do market order right now. Let's see. Let me see if we can do market order right now, guys. Okay, I'm going to do something slightly different. Okay. I'm going to do market order for this token and then maybe add to the position if we get to that $8.5 level. All right, set a limit order to add to the position if we get there, and then maybe set stop loss at $9 or thereabout. All right, that's what I'm going to do with that token. So just be careful. Don't do what I'm doing. All right. Our risk tolerance are not the same, so Be careful, okay? All right, guys. Yeah, so let's see how that plays out. Yeah, still going well, going well, going well. Let's see how it plays out. If this does reverse back up there, I'll still enter another position, okay? And then the target is that area there. So let's see how this plays out, guys. Let's see how it plays out. So it's very simple. Maybe you have like a $20 whatever, okay? Trading capital. You can take $5, enter with market order, and then maybe put another $5 when it gets up to. All right, I'm just giving you well, I'm just giving you like a breakdown for those of you who have lower capital and all. If it is $100, maybe you enter with first $10, okay? And then enter another one with another $10, and then target that area there. You don't go in with all of your money, okay? In such tokens, these tokens can, take you out of the market within there. It's smart. A twinkle of an eye can take you out of the market. The way these things pumping and all of that. So just be careful. Just be careful. Which is why I'm just setting, risk little amount of money here with market order. If it goes here, we take profit and then enter another one there and all of that. Okay, so stuff like that. So let's see how it works. Let's see how this plays out, guys. Yeah, so for those of you who are waiting at 8.4, look at that. Okay, look at that, guys. 8.4. That should trigger your trade. Okay, for those of you who have pending orders at 8.4, it should be able to trigger right now. Yes, take it, take it, take it. Enter the trade right now at 8.4. Take it, go ahead, take the trade. Yeah, let's see how that goes. We're almost there, okay? Almost there, almost there. I believe we'll trigger that trade right now. So we are almost there. Let's see how it goes, guys. Just patiently wait for it. Patiently wait for it. Let it play out. Almost there. Correct. Our trade is triggered, and let's see if this will give us some profit. Okay. Yeah, running in profit, running in profit already. Running in profit already. You can do, like a 10%, just manage your trade, guys. I'm already 15%, 20%, 30%. Guys, look at that. So you can close your trade, okay? Close your trade. Good guys. That's massive, all right? That's massive. That's massive. That's massive. All right. but just manage your trade, okay? You can close at 20% and then re-enter the trade again, or look for more opportunities and stuff like that, all right? So yeah, if you set your take profit at maybe 50%, 20% or whatever, that should be able to play out, guys. Yeah, so I would do, let's see how it works, okay? Let me see if I can close it at certain levels, okay? And then re-enter again, let's see. You can actually hold on to it. Maybe we start getting rejection here and then let it play out, all right? It's left to you to do whatever you want with the trade. The trade is triggered already and it's running its profit, okay? Even with a 10x leverage, you should be in 20% profit right now, okay? Looking at my screen right now, even if you are using 10x leverage, should be in 20%, 30% profit right now, guys. That's it. All right, so this particular candle is a result of indecision right now. The buyers want to take over, the sellers want to take over, so nobody wants, this candle will close in the next 6 minutes. Let's see, what it turns out to be. Buyers are like, should we push? Okay, guys, all right, buyers and the sellers are confused here, guys. All right, they are confused. Should we take it over or should we, stuff like that? So buyers and sellers are getting confused right here. Buyers and sellers are getting confused right here, guys. Candle close in 6 minutes. Let's see 5 minutes. Okay, let's see how this close out. Okay, let's see how that close out. And let's see how that close out, guys. Okay, who is with me on this trade? Let me know who is with me on this trade. Who is with me on this trade? Just manage your risk, guys. Manage your risk, okay? And all of that. Who is with me on this trade? Let me know. Let me know if you are with me on this trade. Let me know, guys. So in the next 4 minutes, indecision in the market, okay? When there is an indecision in the market like this, at the end of the day, one party end up, taking over the market, okay? So either the bears will take over or the bulls will continue to be in charge. Indecision, that's what that candle is actually implying right now. Indecision, indecision, indecision. Should we go up? Should we go down? Now the bears are in control right now. It seems the bears are taking over. Well, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Our target is just here, okay? Our target is just here. Let's see if we can get like 100 to 200% move, depending on your leverage, okay? If you are using a 10x leverage, yeah, 100%, okay? If you are using a 10x leverage, that's 100%. If you are using 20x leverage, that's 200%. If you are using 25x leverage, that is 250%. All right. So if it does get down to this level of 786 here, guys, the bears are taking over. So this is going in our favor, going in our favor. Yeah, I can now push this here to see when it will hit TP. going in our favor and favor. Yeah, we are going there, guys. So let's see how that plays out. We are in charge. Okay, the bears are in charge right now, guys. The bears are in charge. The bears are in charge. Yeah, the bears are in charge. Okay, guys, so you can move your stop loss to entry, all right? Move your stop loss to break even, okay? Move your stop loss to break even. Let's see how that goes. Move your stop loss to break even, guys. Move stop loss to break even. Let's see. Or you can close, all right? If you are 20, 30%, 40% move already, you can close, take profit, all right? Secure your profit. If you don't, some other person will do what? Will take it for you. If you don't take profit right now, okay, some other person will take that profit for you. You can secure your profit and maybe re-enter the trade again, okay? Or move your stop loss to break even and hold on to the trade to play out. Move stop loss to entry and hold on to the trade to play out, okay? If you don't secure your profit right now, you don't take your profit right now, some other persons will take it for you, okay? So move stop loss to break even, move stop loss to break even, okay? Just go ahead and adjust your stop loss to break even, and let's hold on to the trade to play out, guys. Let's hold on to the trade to play out, guys. Let's hold on to it to play out. Move stop loss to break even and hold on to the trade to play out, all right? So yeah, that's basically it. All right, if it gets down there, 10%, move, that's 100x leverage with 100% move with a 10x leverage, 50% move with a 5x leverage, and all of that. So let's see, just wait for it to play out, or just take your profit right now, okay? Secure profit if you want to. Thanks. All right, thank you so much today for being here with me. All right, yeah, 50% book, yeah, that's great. All right, great. Okay, yeah, let's just secure your profit. Let's see how that works. Okay, let's see how it plays right there. Okay, I think I'll end the day with actually this token, right? Actually end the day with this token. And then for the GFT, I will no longer enter it again. I think I'm done for today, guys. I'm done for today. I'm done for today. All right, let's see how this plays out. I'm done for today. If this hits that target, if this hits that target of 7.4, right? I'm done for the day. Guys, give the video a like, okay? Give the video a like, give the video a like, give the video a like, give the video a like. Yeah, this is going well. This is great, guys. Guys, this is playing out. This is playing out. This is playing out. Give the video a like. Give the video a like, guys. Yeah, yeah. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, right? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. We're almost there, we're almost there, we're almost there. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We are almost there. Give the video a like, guys. Do me a favor by giving a like, okay? Give it a thumbs up. And congrats to all of you who took the trade. Just make sure that you book your profit, guys. Make sure that you book your profit right now, guys. Book your profit right now. Just secure some profit, okay? Secure some profit. Don't be stingy. Don't be greedy. All right? Don't be selfish. All right? 50%. Let's say if you're putting in $100, 50%, 20% move. That is something for the day, guys. Most especially if you're in this part of the world where I am. If you're in this part of the world where I am, guys, you know what dollar is to my own local currency right now? Do you know what dollar is to my local currency right now, guys? Do you know what dollar is to my local currency? Let me share with you in case you don't know. Let me just share with you briefly for those of you who don't know. So if you put in $100, you put in $50 and you're making 50% of that, or making 100% of that, or making 20% of that even. All right, that's something compared to what a dollar is in my village right now, guys. Okay. So if you do this consistently every day, though at times, these things don't go well, which is why we need to manage our risks, okay? Always use very tight stop losses, money we can afford to lose, all right? So with that, we don't get to, so if you make $20 in a day, you make $30 in a day, just call it a day, and all right? And then maybe out of that $30, $20, you're ready to raise $10 in the next day and all of that. So if you do this consistently at the end of the month, at the end of the day you're making money, this is what dollar is currently selling for. Okay, let's even go to sell, because when you make this money, you want to sell to your bank account, guys. All right, so if I'm going to be selling dollar worth 300,000 naira, okay, it means that I'm selling almost, if you have $1,000 right now, you are getting almost 1 million naira. That's 980,000 naira. Okay, if you get $100 right now, that is over 98,000 naira, guys. 98,000 naira. Look at that. This is what $1 is selling for right now in my own country. So it is a good time now. And then basically I see trading is just the best way, guys. Trading is just the best and easiest way to start minting this dollar if you're in this country. All right. It can only make sense for you when you're making dollar in Nigeria and spending dollar in Nigeria. But when you go outside there, where everything is paid in dollar, taxes, and all of that, you will not be able to enjoy it. But when you make this dollar in Nigeria, spend it in Nigeria, it makes more sense. Okay. Yeah. So a dollar right now, if you have $100 right now, guys, you are 98,000 naira richer. Okay, so now to talk of now putting $100 in a trade and you're making 50%, you're making 20%. Okay, so it means that if you do, let's say I go ahead and sell to this person here. Okay, this person is selling from 500K and above. All right, and then I've made $20 for instance. I go ahead and put in $20 here. So you're getting like 19,000 naira in return. So if you make $20 every day, you know what that is. All right. Okay, so I'm calling it a day here. I'm calling it a day here. I'll just wait this trade. I believe that it will play out. All right. I believe it will play out. So I'll just move my stop loss and then go about my activities. Maybe I'll move, my stop loss. Yeah, I believe this will play out, guys. I believe it will play out. So I'll move my stop loss to secure some profit, maybe to 8.2 and all of that. And then go about my daily activities. Let's see how that works, okay? Let's see how that works, guys. Let's see how that works. Let's see how that works. So yeah, calling it off for today. Thank you for being here with me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. We'll see tomorrow. Or maybe if I have the time this evening, fine. But if not, we'll see tomorrow. All right. Have a wonderful day and bye-bye, everyone. If you are not on the Telegram, go ahead and join the Telegram. Sign up for a Bybit account using the link in the video description, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.